Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable the network icon on the login screen in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand policies. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click System. Right-click New, DWORD 32-bit value. Type Don't Display. Network Selection UI. Change value to 1. Click OK. Close Registry Editor. Network icon is successfully disabled. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.